Hey everybody, Scotty with Big Rig Chrome Shop. I'm excited to do another product spotlight today. We're going to feature a brand new product. It's Kögler's vehicle purification system. So I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing, show you the components, talk a little bit about it, and let's get rolling. So it comes in this little box, kind of looks like an iPod or iPad box when you get a new iPad. Comes with a few different components. Obviously it comes with the system, and the system is actually pretty compact. It's only about the size of my hand, so it's a nice compact system. And then we have a box that features a couple other components. So we have the cigarette lighter plug, we have the USB cord, and then we also have two of these. One of them's already in the system. Two of these scent removal systems as well, kind of help with the scent. And then we have the instruction manual as well. So I'm going to talk a little bit about what this product does. So all you have to do is you plug it into USB in your truck, or you can plug it in the cigarette lighter of your vehicle. You could actually use this at home too. You could really use it anywhere. So what it does is it filters out bad bacteria, it filters out formaldehyde, anything that's bad in your truck. It's going to take about 95% of that out, and it's going to filter it through, bring in fresh air. It also removes a lot of the odors, so if you have some bad body odor, if you smoke, if you want to get rid of some of that odor in the vehicle cabin, it'll do that as well. So I'm just going to plug it in, test it for you, and show you how it works. So when you plug it in, there's actually just a jack on the bottom, and like I said, the other end is a USB. So you just plug this in. It should beep when you plug it in, and it should show a little red LED here when you plug that in, so you know it's on, so you know it's plugged in. And all you got to do is press this power button, and it'll start up. It sounds like a really soft computer fan, some good white noise. Again, this product is just about $90. You can get this at bigrigchromeshop.com. It is free shipping in the 48 contiguous states. So if you live anywhere in the 48, you can get this free shipping. Just go to bigrigchromeshop.com, order it. You can call in at 920-769-0611. You can order it there. You can also come down to the shop. We can get one for you as well. So check us out online. Give us a call. Come on down to the shop at 3735 South Washburn Street. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We're everywhere. We'd love to see you. Again, this is a really awesome new component from Kögler. One other thing I did want to show you, if you want to change out the filter or change out the scent, it's really, really easy. I'm just going to unplug this real quick. All you got to do is pop this cap off. It's actually magnetized, so it's really, really simple to take off. We have your filter here. Pull that out. Put a new filter back in. We do sell those separately as well for replacement filters. And then on the back, kind of like a little battery component on other devices, we have that scent feature as well there. So again, a really awesome new feature, a new product from Kögler. Come on down and check it out.